guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming a wash and go tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I do my wash and goes, the products that I use, how I use the products, everything. Look, I'm about to put y'all on to this curly hair game, okay? So you guys, right now I'm starting off with freshly washed and detangled hair. To shampoo my hair, I use the Aussie Miracle Curls shampoo, and to conditioner, I use the Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner. And you can also find these at your local Family Dollar, Walmart, basically anywhere. So I would definitely recommend these products right here. And to start off, I'm going to be using Shea Butter. That's the very first product that I put in my hair. I love Shea Butter for my hair, especially when I'm doing my wash and goes or really anything, because I feel like the Shea Butter really gives me that, the moisture, definitely the moisture, and the shine as well. So now that the Shea Butter is in my hair, I'm going to spritz my hair just a little bit. Next, I'm going to add the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. So this is my hair with just the Shea Butter. I'm going to go in with the gel. And I'm just going to kind of rake it through my hair. Curls popping. So yes, all I'm doing is just going in with the gel, making sure I'm getting my roots really nice and moisturized. Y'all, should I do a middle part or a side part? I don't know. You know what? I don't even know why I'm asking, because I'm going to do a side part. In the morning, to refresh my hair, what I'll do is, first of all, I'll go to sleep in a pineapple. And you know, a pineapple is the high ponytail. I'll go to sleep in the pineapple with my bonnet on, and then when I wake up, I'll just take my bonnet off, spritz my hair real quick, and just like refresh it and put like a little bit more product in it. The reason why I really love to use Shea Butter is because like I feel like the Shea Butter gives my hair like that movement. Like if I just do the gel, like my hair will be kind of stiff, but when I put the Shea Butter in my hair, it adds like the moisture, the shine, the movement, like all of that. Like y'all, use Shea Butter. Do it. It'll change your life. See, look, movement,